April brought some disappointing news for religious workers, especially those who are applying for a green card or are planning to apply for a green card in the near future. The Department of State announced changes to the visa bulletin to the employment-based fourth category, which includes religious workers, special immigrants, juveniles, and some diplomats. This change will result in prolonged wait times for the especially religious workers to get the green card. A little bit of the background. So there is a numerical limitation on how many visas the Department of State can issue each year for the specific category, either for employment-based or family-based sponsorship. Additionally, there is a limitation on how many visas can be issued for citizens of specific countries. So if there are more than 7% of the demand for the people from specific countries, those people are put aside and they have a different line and they need to wait a little bit longer for their visas to become available. The Department of State announced that they made a legal mistake in excluding people from El Salvador, Guatemala, and Honduras from the general population of people who are eligible for EB-4 category. So far, people from those countries had to wait approximately 4-5 years in order to finalize a process of obtaining a green card. People from other countries had to wait between few months and up to 2 years. Right now, because the Department of State put everyone together into one basket, everyone will have to wait longer. For example, people from all other countries than those three listed above had to wait only a few months for the visa to become available. Right now, they will need to wait approximately 2 or 3 years. This is especially painful for religious workers because most of people who are applying for the green card based on religious workers program are here in the United States on R1 religious worker non-immigrant status. As you may know, R1 religious worker status is limited only for 5 years. So whoever is on the R1 status cannot be here more than 5 years. And because processing of I-360 special immigrant visa petition can take many months or even a couple of years, the planning on when to apply for immigrant visa is very crucial. So how it's going to impact religious workers? It all depends at what stage of applying for green card are they right now. Those who already applied for green card, applied for application I-485, application to adjust status, can remain in the United States and utilize the employment authorization card and wait until visa numbers will become available for them, which can take few months or few years. Those who didn't apply for 485 yet and either have I-360 petition for a special immigrant religious worker pending or are planning to file this petition, they can have some problems with maintaining their status. One of the solutions is for them to leave the United States when the 5 years of the maximum R1 stay expires, wait abroad for at least one year and apply for new 5-year period of R1 status. The other options are H visas or L visas, but those all depends on specific circumstances. If you are a religious worker and have some questions about application for adjustment of status or in general about the special immigrant religious worker program, please call us to schedule consultation. Our phone number is 847-979-0265, 847-979-0265, or you can send an email to info@boruchlaw.com, info@boruchlaw.com. Thank you.